How to make a simple DIY air cooler from a plastic bucket. Who would have thought that an ordinary plastic bucket could be turned into a simple air cooler? This clever DIY project starts with a plastic bucket. First, a square opening is cut into the front. Then, two circular holes about 10 cm in diameter are drilled on both sides. Next, two 15 cm PVC pipes are cut to fit the holes and sealed tightly with hot glue. For the cooling filter, fresh straw is placed between two layers of plastic mesh and secured with zip ties. The homemade filter is then fixed over the square opening. Inside the bucket, a copper tube is installed and connected to a small water pump. The tube has a series of small holes along its length, while one end is sealed. A circular opening is also made in the bucket lid to install an exhaust fan. Flexible aluminium ducts are connected to the PVC pipes on both sides, creating the air outlets. Another fan helps push the cooled air into the room. Once assembled, the cooler is simple to operate. Add some water and a small bag of ice into the bucket, close the lid, and turn on the power. As the fan runs, the cooled air is directed through the flexible ducts and into the room. It's a creative way to reuse simple materials and create a cooling device with basic components. Would you try building this DIY air cooler? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more clever DIY projects, recycling ideas, and fascinating handmade inventions.